they, Mom? Look at these clouds. They're like rolling. I've never seen that before.
They look manly.
They look like they're coming down on us.
They do. One in the back looks like it's almost twisting. That one over there.
So we're gonna die. The tornadoes knock down your house.
Look at all the clouds. They're all going in different directions. Isn't that crazy, Meg?
I'm scared.
Don't go down. Don't
It's like rolling. Look at the cloud up there rolling.
Is there gonna be sun?
Huh? Look at those. These clouds are incredible.
Okay, I'll leave it on. Freaky.
It is freaky.
Scary. I want to clean up my slobber.
Thunderstorm warning.